How to connect GoDaddy domain to Lovable AI. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, you would learn how you can connect GoDaddy domain to Lovable AI. So let's go. First of all, log it into your account just like I have done here and launch your project. Okay, the domain that you're trying to change, the GoDaddy domain name that you're trying to connect must be linked to a project. So open up the project that you would like to work with. So once you've opened the project, at the top part of the screen, you'll see a navigation bar. In top left corner, you see the name of the domain. Moving to the middle, you can see the source code, an option for you to invite, and all of that. Move to the top left corner of the screen, and then click on the name of your project. Okay, the custom name that has been given to you by Lovable. Once you can do that and you've done that, a drop down menu will be displayed. In this menu, select settings amongst other options. By selecting settings, a box will be displayed on the screen. Move to the left side where you'll see a sidebar displaying options like project settings, domains, analytics, knowledge. Select domains. After selecting domains, on the domains page, you can see options like domains, connected domains, add existing domains, purchase new domains. So just move to the right side of add existing domain. Since you already have your GoDaddy domain and you would like to connect it, go to that particular location. All right. And move to the right side and click connect domain. But in order to connect domain to Lovable, you have to be using the pro version. For me, currently, I am using the free version, and that is why this page is being displayed. But for you, as long as you've upgraded to a paid version, either pro or business, you would be referred to a page where you'll be required to enter in the domain that you own, enter in all of the credentials, and once that's been verified, your GoDaddy domain name would be added automatically to your Lovable account. Okay, and that's just how to do it. So this is how to connect Lovable, connect your GoDaddy domain to your Lovable account. So there you go. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.